Welcome to my channel. Kung ikaw ay bago pa lang sa channel ko, please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman updated ka every time na meron ako mga bagong video katulad nito. So, ngayon, sa video na to, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng star crochet stitch. Ang gagamitin natin, 25 gram of milk cotton yarn at ang ating pin marker, darning needle, 4.5 crochet hook, and a pair of scissor. So, sa project na to, ang kailangan natin na chain foundation ay odd number. So, nag-prepare na ako dito ng 17 chain foundation. So, ganito, paano umpisahan ng star crochet stitch. So, on the, dito, second chain, yan. Ganyan. So, huwag ganun. So, hindi tayo yarn over ngayon. Pwede rin yarn over yung gawin nyo. Pero, parang mas madali yung ganyan. So, 1. Next. 2. Next. 3. Next. 4. Okay, 4. So you have now 5 loops on your hook. One more. Okay. Okay, now we have 6 loops in the hook. So yarn over. Yan. Pull it through to the 6th loop. Okay. So ang gagawin naman natin ngayon yung pinakang center ng gitna. Yan. And then, insert doon. Okay, insert. And take the loop. So, second loop. 2 loops on the hook. And then, insert doon. Insert doon. Okay. And take the loop. So 3 loops in the hook. 3 more. Dito sa chain na to. Insert. And take the loop. Okay. 4 loops in the hook. 2 more. On the next chain. Insert to the next chain. Next chain. So 5 loop on your hook. Plus on the next chain, and then take the loop. So again, we have now 6 loop. Yarn over, pull it through like this, and then slip knot. Again, insert doon sa pinakang mata, sa pinakang center. Take the loop, 2 loops on your hook, and then to the last, dito, yung last kanina. Okay. Take the loop. 3 loops on the hook. 3 more. Dito sa last chain, yung nag-insert tayo kanina. Okay. Take the loop. So, 4 loops in the hook. 2 more. Insert again to the next chain. Okay, so 5 loops in the hook. Last, insert to this chain. Okay, 6 loop in the hook. And then pull through together the 6 loops. Slip knot. And then again, insert to the eye. Okay, 2 loops in the hook. And next, here again, insert here, and the last, again, 3 loops in the hook, insert to the next chain, the last chain. Okay, 4 loops in the hook, again. So now have 5 loops in the hook, plus the next chain, insert to the next chain, and then take the loop. Okay, then yarn over, pull it through the 6 loop together, slip knot. Okay, so this is how it look like. Okay, one more, insert to the center, the eye. Okay, 2 loops in the hook, insert here. Okay, take the loop, so 3 loops in the hook, and then insert to the last chain we work. Okay, take the loop, 2 more, next chain. Okay, 5 loops on your hook, and then 1 more. So dapat laging 6 loops yung nasa hook natin bago natin i-yarn over and pull it through together, all together the 6 loop. Then slip knot, and then again insert to the eye or the center, and then insert here sa last loop kanina. Take the loop, 3 loops in your hook, and then insert doon sa last chain na work natin kanina. So 4 loops in your hook. Next, insert to the next chain. Okay, 5 loops in your hook, and insert again to the next chain for the 6th loop to make it 6 loop. Okay, now yarn over, pull it through together to the 6th loop in your hook, slip knot, and then insert on the eye or in the center. So you have 3 loops in your hook, and then the very first stitch, and make half double crochet. Okay, like this. So this is how it look like our star crochet stitch. And for the next row is chain 2, pabalik na rin, and then half double crochet. Okay, so this is the first half double crochet, second half double crochet, okay, 2 double crochet each center. Yan, next double crochet, next half double crochet, sorry, yan, ganyan. So it look like this, 2 double crochet for each eye o itong mata na to. And next half double crochet, again, okay, half double crochet, okay, first, second half double crochet, ganyan, then again half double crochet for this last eye, okay, 2 double crochet, and then half double crochet again to this chain. So ito po yan, it look like this. Then chain 3, 2, and 3. Babalik na rin. Yan. This is how it look like. So, next, insert dito. Okay, grab the yarn. 2 loops in your hook. Then next chain, insert, grab the yarn, 3 loops in the hook. Then here, in the first chain, now 4 loops in the hook. Next chain again, grab the yarn, 5 loops in the hook, and then next chain again to make it 6 loop. And then yarn over, pull it through together the 6 loop. Then slip knot. Then insert to the center, to the eye. Grab the yarn. So, ganyan lang. Diretso lang din hanggang dito sa end of the row. Half double crochet. Dito, insert dito. So, like this. So, ididiretso ko lang hanggang 5 rows. Then, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo after the 5 rows. I'm back. So, natapos ko na yung 5 rows. So, yan. First row, second row, third, fourth, and fifth. Ang next ko naman gagawin, yung next panel, ano naman siya, mas mahaba dito, longer than this panel, para sa kasama yung cover. Okay, so natapos ko na yung second panel, 8 rows, yan, nandiyan 8, while yung nauna is only 5 rows. Yan, so ang gagawin ko dito, ito yung wrong side, ito din naman yung wrong side niya. So, pag haharapin natin yung wrong side. Ganyan. Yan. Isi-single crochet ko lang tong gilid. Yung pinaka mag-a-attach sa kanilang dalawa. Yan. Si-single crochet ko yan. Tapos, ito yung pinakang cover. And then, butones lang siya dito. Pinakang holder niya. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung outcome. So, ito na. Natapos ko na yung ating small pouch. Yan. So, ito yung pinakang cover. Ganyan. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Lalagyan ko pa ito ng mga ornaments. Hello, I'm back. So, natapos na yung ating project. Ganyan. Nilagyan ko na rin siya ng beadings. Meron ako separate video kung paano maglagay ng beads. Yan. Ganyan. Ganyan. Ito na po yung outcome ng ating Star Crochet Stitch Small Pouch. Muli po, maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. 1,000 subscriber na po tayo and still counting. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. At sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, please consider to subscribe. At i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman updated ka every time na meron ako mga bagong videos katulad nito. Hanggang sa susunod ko pong video, maraming salamat po.